Hi everyone, welcome back to The Couple Abroad. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. This is our final week back in Paris. Let's get into the video. Good morning! We are at the Louvre. And this morning we went to Café Marley. I'll put some videos that I recorded on my phone. And then we are taking some photos, and there's really not a lot of people here at all, which is great. Awesome. Because when we went here on New Year's, it was ridiculous.
Yeah.
There was lines like all around the pyramids, and now there's no one. Today we are also going up the Eiffel Tower. So we also have been perfume shopping all morning for our wedding perfume. Well, mine, I guess not Titi's. And we went to lots of fancy stores like Dior and Gucci. And we went to Valentino. And I found one, and it's wonderful. And I'm so excited, and the bag is so pretty.
So we came to the same bridge where we put her lock. And do it closer, do it closer. This is everything that is left of her lock.
Everything left of our love. We are going up the Eiffel Tower. We are starting our ascent up the Eiffel Tower. And it was a little confusing, to be honest, because there's really no one here at all.
Yeah, I feel like it will be very helpful if we were following the people.
But maybe there'll be people at the top. And we did the stairs and not the elevator.
Guess it was cheaper.
So they have these cutie little signs that try to motivate you to keep going. It's getting a little dark and scary now. Titi got a bill for her bill collection. Euro. They have a little gift shop on the first floor. Very produced up here. We are now on the way to the second floor.
Trisha, a little tired.
You sound less tired. We made it. And it's foggy. Here's the Trocadero. And you can see where Titi and I got engaged. We got engaged in that street right there. I like to see how Paris is laid out. Don't you think? Yeah. Because all the streets are crooked. We are at as top of the Eiffel Tower as we can get to because the top is closed. Go around the second floor, and we just climbed up probably 600 stairs. So we got ourselves a macaroon. And it's called the Garden of the Eiffel Tower.
It's a big macaroon.
5 out of 5 macaroons.
Really?
We are at the Royal Palace. Do we know what goes on here? No, but it's now a playground for children and an Instagram spot. Yay, history. We have 5 days left in Paris. 4.
We're leaving on Thursday and today is Sunday. So.
Yes. And we're currently at the Palais Royal. And we have one more day tomorrow, which is my day. And I have a full day planned. And then the next day is Titi's day. And Titi has maybe plans?
Yeah, we're gonna try a lot of food.
Okay.
Because Stephanie doesn't really like to try food, so she has been postponing it, but we have to do it before we leave. So on, when is it? Thursday?
Tuesday.
Wednesday? Tuesday? We're trying a lot of food.
And then Wednesday we have a food tour. Which ones did we get, Titi?
Raspberry, passion fruit, I'm assuming, vanilla, coffee, and chocolate.
And we got hot chocolate.
This one has a beret.
today was my day to pick all the things that we did. And we went to Pink Mama, this restaurant, for lunch, and we got pizza and pasta. And then we went to Musée de l'Orangerie, and we saw the water lily painting that I thought was pretty. And then we went to Odette, which I read had the best macaroons in Paris, and it turns out it has the best macaroons with 2 O's in Paris. And we tried lots of flavors. And then we walked all the way from over there to here to see the Eiffel Tower twinkle. It's my favorite thing about Paris. And we already watched a twinkle and I forgot to film it, but so pretty. And then we bought all the things to make a yummy charcuterie board, and I think we're gonna go home. It's now Titi's day, and so far we have gotten juice. We slept until noon. And he bought a lot of food.
It was a whole odyssey.
We have a cake, a chocolate croissant, and a chocolate beignet. And then we're also getting a huge bruschetta for some reason. So we went back to Montmartre, and we were in front of the pretty church, and we were watching these people play music, and they were super, super, super good. Well, they're pretty good. And then all these like patrol people came and kicked them out.
And it's weird because the police, like the military looking people, they came in with like huge machine guns and stuff like that. But there were people selling beers, people playing music in the street, and they didn't do anything with that. So I don't really know what they were doing or what they were looking for. So in the whole time that we've been in France, we've been trying, we usually get like chocolate crepe or Nutella crepe or stuff, or like more like fun flavors. Apparently the more traditional one, based on what we've been told, is the butter and sugar one. So that's what we're trying right now because we're leaving pretty soon, so we want to try the things that we haven't had the opportunity to try before. It's pretty exciting.
You grab it. Also, apparently right now we're in this place called the Latin Quarter, is the sector. What do you think, baby? Out of 5 macaroons?
4 macaroons. No, between 4 and 5.
Okay. We are now at the best croissant voted in Paris in 2018, and this is the only one, the best croissant that's in a bakery, because
It's the last one.
because the other ones are in fine dining restaurants, so this is the best one from a bakery.
A Valentino.
We got a croissant and a pain au chocolat.
It's very different, very, very buttery.
It's like dripping butter. Like it's actually dripping.
Yeah, you feel how the butter drips through your teeth. Really different to any other croissant I've tried.
I got a goat cheese salad. Titi got some scary frog legs that he has to try.
It smells like Chilean soup.
Ew. I thought you said it would taste like chicken. Francisco. I got rump steak. And Titi got a lamb leg. Did you like the frog legs?
Mm-hmm. They taste like chicken.
Surprisingly, I actually like them too. So Titi really wanted to try creme brulee. So that's over there. And we also got some ice cream. Alright, so on our last night in Paris, we actually did an Airbnb experience, a food tour. We did it through something called the No Diet Food Tour, and we did that in Montmartre. Our guide's name was Naomi. You'll see her here. She was wonderful. A list of places we went is as followed. We went to Le Claque Fromage, which was our first charcuterie board. Here, we're in Street Bangkok, where we got to try some incredible Thai food. Then we moved on to Paris Boca, where we got to try Argentinian pizza, which was, I didn't know it was different, so that was kind of fun. We went to Dizen, where we had some falafel. We then went to Bashir, and you'll hear about the history of Bashir and how it was made in a little bit. And then we had a butter cake for my son George's Larnacal. Falafel.
To your place and I have food for free. I'm going to tell you the story. So this is actually a family, so it is quite old now. And actually it's two brothers, so brothers Bashir, who really liked ice cream. They really liked ice cream, but they didn't have this much money. So they figured that if they could find a recipe, they would never have to buy ice cream again because they could just make it. So they decided to start looking for a good recipe, which they found, and then they started making ice cream. After that, the two brothers met two sisters, which they married. And you know how ladies are, they turned this whole thing into a business because guys were just like making ice cream for fun, and they were like, you need to sell this. So they started, and they started selling this in Lebanon. It was a huge success. Then the kids of all these people came to Paris, opened a shop here, and now they have two shops that are really famous.
What do you think?
It's interesting. Yes.
Sure. You don't want it?
No.
This is called Kunyaman from Brittany. It's a butter cake.
Yeah, that's good. I do.
We are playing cards. We're playing Uno with regular cards.
Sounds less sophisticated.
We are playing poker here at Cafe Trocadero. We got a bottle of wine. It is a Chardonnay. And our friend Sophia actually gifted us some money for our engagement. And so we went to this beautiful cafe right in front of the Trocadero. It's called Cafe Trocadero. And there's a view of the Eiffel Tower, and it twinkles every hour on the hour. And I'm just waiting for it to twinkle again, because it's going to twinkle in like 10 minutes. Twinkle! What day it is? Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you watched the whole video and you made it to this point. We really appreciate you. We are on the way back in this clip to the US, but thank you so much for following along to all of our Paris and France adventures. See you soon. We don't know what this is. But we think it might be the French White House.
Don't say the French White House. So funny.
What?
This is what we do all day, every day.
What?
Yeah, stand around pretty places, looking at Stephanie's phone, trying to pick a good picture of her.
Where are we, Titi?
I don't know, but I want to kick a kid.
Why?
Find the kid.